accept request. Sure. After the live, I will accept. All is available. Guys, number 1 rule, if I will have boyfriend, should be single, ha? No wife, no partner, no live-in partner, no girlfriend, no mistress, and should be single, totally single. Okay, because so many women now fighting with me because you guys keep comment, and they are, oh, you're flirting with my husband, my boyfriend, blah, blah, blah. Nagwo-walking ka ba? Trebly, I'm doing gym po. It's my 1 month only. So, before, I'm too much big, but now I'm still it's not that much big like before, but now it's still working out, you know. It's still working out, still going on, and it takes times for me to lose totally, but it's still there is some changes. Opo, Muhammad Al-Falasi, you're very good in Tagalog. How many Filipina do you have? That is a question. No need to turn around, see? That's why I will never meet you, because I know what is your purpose. Fahad, hello, how are you? I'm good. I don't want to say plug, but Mimo po, and how much for you? I think you're Nepali. I think this is Nepali thing every time. Too much hungry. But I don't want to say, but how much I big for you, how much is small. Well, bagay naman sa'yo, is still pretty. Thank you po. Kasi hindi rin naman po obra na sobrang payat ko eh. And yung height ko, I think, because my height is 5'6", I don't know how many inches. How many cm? I think 165 or 166, 67 like this. So my body is not too good if too much slim. But still, I'm working out. And if you guys know about the Thirstify, and I'm using that one now only 2 weeks. So I still need more time to lose more weight, and for sure guys, next time more next time you guys see me, you will see me some changes, no? Campojera, guys, if you guys want to see me, you guys need to come here, not me. Don't lose weight. All Arab guys like chubby. Really? Why I don't meet any Arab guys?